I don't know why you are waiting, but AI is going to replace email marketers. And it's not just them. This statistic says that by 2030, AI will displace up to 75 million jobs globally. This means that if you're smart about your future, you might want to think about leveraging the latest AI tools and push email marketers out of business. In this video, we will talk about some proven AI tools that will help you to win the email marketing game. And before we start, if you want to learn more from other like-minded small business owners and professionals, there's a community of business owners who share their latest findings in AI, and it's absolutely free. Click the first link in the description to join the Evolve Smarter community. Let's start. Number 10, ConvertKit. If you're a content creator, blogger, or small business owner, ConvertKit is a gem for automating your email marketing. This platform simplifies growing your subscriber base while helping you create engaging content effortlessly. With its intuitive interface, you can automate email sequences and design beautiful landing pages that elevate your overall marketing strategy. Features. ConvertKit has some great features to boost your email marketing. The Creator Network lets you connect with others and share recommendations for growth. Plus, it boasts an impressive 99.73% delivery rate, so your messages are sure to reach your audience. You can easily create personalized email newsletters with its design flexibility, and the tagging system helps you organize subscribers for targeted content delivery. On top of that, the landing page builder lets you create stunning, conversion-focused pages without any coding skills. Number 9, OmniSend. OmniSend is your go-to tool for advanced marketing automation that combines email and SMS notifications. Perfect for e-commerce, this platform helps you create impactful, personalized content that truly resonates with your audience. Its user-friendly features make it easy for anyone to harness the power of marketing automation. Features. OmniSend offers a variety of powerful features to enhance your marketing automation efforts. Its drag-and-drop builder provides an intuitive interface for easy campaign creation. The hassle-free setup adapts to your unique marketing needs, making implementation seamless. With an average conversion rate of 30% for push notifications, the platform demonstrates its effectiveness in driving results. Additionally, SMS and email integration ensures a cohesive customer experience, while pre-built workflows allow you to utilize ready-made automation processes, saving you valuable time. Number 8, Brevo, formerly Sendinblue. Brevo is a powerhouse for businesses looking to integrate multiple channels, including email, SMS, WhatsApp messaging, and live chat. It's ideal for small to medium-sized businesses seeking a complete digital marketing solution. With its robust features, you can engage your audience across various platforms seamlessly. Features. Brevo, formerly Sendinblue, features a powerful multi-channel integration that combines email, SMS, WhatsApp messaging, and live chat, allowing seamless engagement across platforms. Its universal inbox helps you efficiently manage conversations, while inbound parsing provides valuable insights into your email data. With customizable templates, you can create beautiful emails tailored to your brand, and automation triggers enable personalized messaging based on user actions, enhancing audience engagement. Number 7, Optimove. For e-commerce businesses with a large customer base, Optimove shines in data-driven email marketing analytics. This tool allows you to leverage reliable data to streamline your marketing strategies and enhance customer engagement through tailored campaigns. Features. Optimove specializes in data-driven email marketing for e-commerce businesses with large customer bases. It enables personalized campaigns that respond to individual behaviors and automatic interactions based on specific actions. Its self-optimizing campaigns reduce manual adjustments, while segmentation targets audiences by behavior and preferences. Predictive analytics further forecast customer behavior for effective campaign tailoring. Number 6, Campaigner. Campaigner is perfect for medium to large businesses looking for advanced automation features. It's great for creating complex email campaigns that feel personalized and engaging. With a range of tools designed for marketers, it's easy to manage and optimize your email strategies. Features. Campaigner is perfect for medium to large businesses looking for advanced automation in personalized email campaigns. It provides API access for seamless software integration and includes a reputation defender to maintain high deliverability rates. Tailored messaging targets recipients based on their buying cycle, while dynamic content adjusts based on user behavior. Comprehensive reporting offers detailed insights for continuous campaign optimization. Number 5, Russa.io. Russa.io excels in curating and distributing content tailored to your subscribers' interests. This tool automatically sifts through web content to find the most relevant articles for each person, making your newsletters engaging and diverse. Features. Russa.io specializes in curating and distributing content tailored to your subscribers' interests. Its content curation feature gathers articles from various sources, resulting in diverse and engaging newsletters. The platform provides engagement insights to identify popular subjects, enhancing brand loyalty. With ad control, you can manage ad selection in your newsletters for flexible marketing options. User preferences allow you to tailor content based on individual subscriber interests and behaviors, while automated distribution lets you set schedules for content delivery to maximize engagement. Number 4, HubSpot. Next up is HubSpot, the top AI tool for all-in-one marketing and email solutions. If you're looking to streamline your marketing efforts while nurturing leads effectively, HubSpot is the go-to platform that covers everything you need in one place. Features. HubSpot is a leading AI tool for all-in-one marketing and email solutions, ideal for streamlining efforts and nurturing leads. It features automated workflows for audience engagement, segmentation for personalized messaging, and an analytics dashboard for email performance insights. With seamless CRM integration and lead scoring, you can prioritize leads based on engagement and behavior for targeted outreach. Number 3, Phrasee. Let's talk about Phrasee. This innovative tool harnesses the power of AI and generative technology to provide smart content marketing suggestions based on what actually works. If you're a business in need of fast, data-driven content creation, Phrasee is your go-to. Features. Phrasee is an innovative tool that uses AI to offer smart content marketing suggestions. Phrasee's key features include A/B testing to compare AI-generated and human-crafted emails, ensuring brand voice consistency in AI content, and creating analytics-driven emails for immediate or future use. It can also optimize subject lines for better open rates and provide real-time performance tracking to monitor campaign effectiveness. Number 2, ActiveCampaign, a fantastic tool for automation and boosting customer retention. This platform excels at tracking customer engagement, allowing businesses to tailor their email marketing strategies effectively. Features. ActiveCampaign excels in automation and customer retention, offering features like engagement insights to track customer interactions and guide strategies. Its easy automation management provides a consolidated view of campaigns and seamless integration with e-commerce platforms like WooCommerce, Shopify, and BigCommerce enhances functionality. With conditional content and dynamic campaigns, you can deliver personalized messages and adapt in real time based on user engagement. Number 1, SendGrid. Last but not least, we have SendGrid, the ultimate tool for reliable and speedy email marketing. If your business requires high volume and fast email delivery, this platform has got you covered. SendGrid is a top choice for reliable and speedy email marketing, perfect for businesses needing high volume delivery. It includes preview tests to check email display across platforms, quick automation for setting up campaigns, and link validation to ensure all links work properly. Its scalability allows for handling large email volumes without sacrificing speed, while real-time analytics enable monitoring of delivery rates and engagement metrics for quick adjustments. These tools are just a taste of what AI email marketing can do for your business. Whether you're looking to automate, personalize, or analyze, there's something here to help you level up your email game. And there you have it. We've explored the exciting world of AI in email marketing and how it can supercharge your campaigns. From boosting engagement with personalized content to optimizing your send times for maximum impact, these AI tools are game changers for marketers. Remember, the key to success starts with knowing your goals. By setting clear objectives, you can choose the right AI tools that align with your vision, ensuring your email marketing efforts truly resonate with your audience. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What goals do you have for your email marketing? Also, feel free to join our value-packed free community, Evolve AI for Small Business, on the school platform at join.evolve.smarter.com. .community. We are building an awesome group, and we are all learning and thriving with AI in our businesses together. We would love to see you there. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.